My new tires, too aggressive. I think I'm gonna go back to my stocks.
Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with my stock exhaust.
Mods. No one likes doing those.
Not a huge fan of mud holes.
I don't even snorkel. I trust the factory seals.
Yeah, with a Can-Am, I don't think I would bring a spare belt.
I get all my work done at the dealership.
I wonder what this would look like with 23-inch tires.
Extended warranty. Sign me up!
Yeah, I don't know. I think I might trade this thing in for an Articat.
Me? I don't get throttle thumb. I keep it under 30K an hour.
For me, it's not really about mudding. It's kind of about just cruising in nature.
Me? Personally, I take those factory warning stickers pretty seriously.
What I really bought this for, honestly, was to spend time with my wife.
Lift kit. Lift kit. Lift kit. Lift kit. Why? Just stand up. Groom trails. All day.
Fox shocks are pretty overrated.
Honda? Nah, they're good.
I kind of wish there was more of an aftermarket for chrome. Yeah, I don't know if I'd ever really bring extra fuel. I mean, these 1000s are pretty good on it. Yeah, I don't know about mudding. This thing's pretty much just a plow.